Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I will show you how to find reverse of a number in C language. stdio.h. The logic is working in all programming languages. Void main. Here first we need to declare three variables, one for input, the other for remainder, and the other for reverse. Taking input from the user %d %n. After that, we are checking while this input is greater than 0. We're going to find remainder. Remainder is equals to in modular 10. Finding remainder and storing it in remainder variable. After that, finding the reverse equals to inside the parenthesis reverse multiply by 10 because we want the parenthesis part to be executed first, plus remainder, and finally dividing input by 10, printing out the value %d reverse, and we are done. Checking the program, C, run. 1 2 3 3 2 1, we got it. Let's check for other number. 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2. Yeah, this is the video. Thank you for watching. If you like, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.